How to password protect your PC on your Windows 10 or 11. So to password protect your PC, what you need to do is just click on the Windows icon and go with your username and then go with change account settings, and it will take you to the change account settings page. Now what you need to do is just go with sign in options. Under your sign in options, you just need to simply go with password. Here you may have another option such as password. You can just simply go with password, or you can just go with PIN. And on the right side, you will have add option under your password or your PIN. So if you've not created your PIN yet, then you can just simply go with the option, and then you'll have add. Just click on add, and you'll be able to add your password on your Windows. You just need simply enter your new password, confirm the password, and you need to enter your password hint, and then go with next, which will be on the bottom right, and go with finish, and your password have been added. That's how you can password protect your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.